guys, so we thought if we're going to be doing videos, then we may as well get something that makes the videos look a little bit more decent than what they do now. So yeah, I went for the DJI Osmo Mobile SE purely because I didn't want to go buy a new camera and then figure out that we didn't actually want to do videos or anything like that. So I didn't want to invest in a lot of money. I think this was 70 quid off Amazon or something like that. This is going to be like a starter and see how we get on. And if we want to upgrade in the future, then we can. So yeah, let me know what upgrades there are from this, guys. So the reason I went for this one is because obviously the stabilizer is meant to be incredible, which I will let you know how I get on with it. It's also got active track. So for us with 3 kids running around, this is gonna hopefully be able to watch them without me running around after them with the phone shaking. So they're the main reasons why we got this. Other reasons is because it's really compact and it looks better than the cheaper versions on Amazon. So I'm going to do a little unboxing video so you guys can see what comes in it. Then I will let you know how we got on with it. And now I'm just going to show you what is in it. So obviously this is very non-technical here, but charger, magnetic thing. This is the actual device, which looks really good quality. This is the tripod. And you get a nice little bag that comes in it, which I'm really impressed if it all fits in this bag. Then all the other stuff that comes with it, all the other instructions. And some pads, which I'm intrigued to see where they go on. But I'm sure the instructions will tell me. So yeah, that's that, guys. Now I've unboxed everything, I am going to set it all up and let you guys know how I get on. But you can obviously see why I need something like this. I'm literally propping the phone up against plant pots at the moment. So yeah, definitely needed. And here it is, guys, in all its glory. Like I said, the quality is really good. I'm so glad I went and paid a little bit extra for this. These are the buttons that you use to change the modes. So basically how you spin it. That's really not technical. But yeah, having to play with them was pretty cool. The little toggle thing is just so you can move it around. So yeah, once you get it, have a little play with that. Spinning it actually fixates on something, so using the little trigger at the back, once you've got what you want it to fixate on, you can use that and then move it around and it will literally stay on that. So yeah, pretty cool. I am very impressed so far. And there it is, that's it. Here is our new DJI Osmo Mobile SE. So hopefully we'll be using it to document all our caravanning trips with our kids, days out, our little adventures, and just when we're having fun or doing something YouTube worthy, we're going to take this with us and hopefully our videos will be a little bit better and a little bit less juddery than what they are now. So I'm going to head off and do some tutorials on it because there are some really cool functions that I haven't learned how to use myself yet, but I know it's capable of. But yeah, so far, really impressed with the quality. I will let you know for the video quality and how we use it. Follow along and I hope you'll be seeing our videos very soon.